In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Snap score quickly. Alright, so first, let's go to Snapchat. And then let's take a snap. And now what we want to do is to send it. Let's send it to as many people as we could. So after selecting them all, just tap on send. And there you go. Now what you want to do is to keep on doing that. So for example, I'll take another snap. And then tap send to, and then you could notice here under recents there's an option for last snap. I'll just tap on that so that it will automatically check the previous batch, and then just tap on send. And that is how you increase your Snap score quickly. So if you keep on doing this over and over again, you could see that your Snap score is going to increase quickly. And that is how you increase your Snap score fast. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.